Hey YouTube, my name is Praveen Irachan and I'm reviewing LaCie 2big Thunderbolt 3, and as you can see I've got this 8TB model and which contains two Seagate iron ore 4TB each, and you can use it in two ways. Either you can have one 8TB hard drive and have no backup solution, or you can set it up with two 4TB drive as RAID and simultaneously back up your data back to back. And even in case of failure, you can take out the broken disc and put the new one in and your data is safe. So with that being said, let's see what's in this box. So as it's pretty much heavy, and as you can see it's LaCie 2big Thunderbolt 3, and in the middle part of this box there's the image of the 2big dock, and there's two slots. I guess that's 4TB hard drive on each, and at the top corner that's the 8TB RAID, and it's 440 MB per second, assuming that if you put your RAID in this tracking mode, that's gonna have 7200 RPM, and this drive is enterprise class drive. At the bottom of this front view you can see professional RAID storage, dual Thunderbolt 3.1, USB 3.1, and docking station. At the left side there's feature, I guess this is internal storage, media interface, docking station, power saving mode, and lots of stuff written. And the box contains LaCie 2big Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, USB 3.1, and many more. At the back side of the box you can see pretty much detailed info about this device. There's on-off button, a power button, dual Thunderbolt 3, USB 3.1, and it contains DisplayPort as well. So it have dual Thunderbolt 3 ports for 5K overflow. At the right side, the front view have USB hub, compact flash card slot, and SD slot. So with that being said, I have, as you can see, I have Thunderbolt cable and the Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 2 adapter. As my iMac don't support the Thunderbolt 3, I have to buy this Thunderbolt 3 USB-C to Thunderbolt 2 adapter and Thunderbolt cable. The Thunderbolt 2 adapter cost around 5,200 yen, and the Thunderbolt cable cost around 4,200 yen. So I've spent as much as 100,000 yen for this stuff. You can see here that's roughly around $1,000. So without further ado, let's open this box. LaCie makes some of the best storage options for your Mac. Whether you work for post design or on a huge amount of video file, there is the 2big dock. Now it's not just a hard drive, also a Thunderbolt 3D dock as well. So you have multiple drive and bunch of I/O expansion and even a faster charging. You can connect multiple of these two drives, and these also have SD card slot and DisplayPort, and this comes up with 5-year warranty. The LaCie 2big Thunderbolt 3 is barely larger than two external 3.5-inch hard drive. LaCie includes a USB 3.0 to USB 2.0 adapter for users that lack USB Type-C port on their computer. But if you are on an older Thunderbolt 2 device, you'll need to purchase a Thunderbolt 2 to Thunderbolt 3 adapter, which sadly isn't included. LaCie does not, however, include pretty much every power cable known to man. Below the two drive trays in a USB 3.0 Type-A port along with the compact flash as well as a SD card slot. On the rear of the LaCie 2big Thunderbolt 3, you'll find the power button, cooling fan, Kensington lock, power port, two Thunderbolt 3 ports, USB 3.1 Type-C port, as well as display plot. You will most definitely want to utilize Thunderbolt 3 if you are Mac or PC supports. So that was my unboxing video about LaCie 2big Thunderbolt 3, and this LaCie 2big cost me around 82,000 yen, and not to forget the Thunderbolt 3 USB 3 to Thunderbolt 2 adapter that cost me around 5,200 yen, and the Thunderbolt cable that cost around 4,200 yen, and in total it cost me around 99,500 yen, and that's pretty huge amount including tax. It's roughly around $1,000 US dollar. And okay, that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. I guess this video was helpful for you guys. I hope to see you on next video. Till then, see you. Sayonara.